and my hair already feels very soft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a protein treatment, and what I'll be using is fenugreek seeds, and I soaked this overnight. And I also have my mega growth deep conditioner, and yeah, I'm almost out. So if you're wondering why my hair is looking crazy, I'm trying to do a porosity test, and my hair is obviously low porosity. So I'm going to go blend this, and I'll be right back to start the whole treatment thing. And let me show you guys what my hair looks like. Okay, and my ends look very tangled, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I know I need a protein treatment ASAP. Okay, so I'm going to blend the fenugreek and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so I'm done blending, or rather they took the light, but I think it's already well blended. For this whole fenugreek paste thing, a little goes a long way, because this is 2 tablespoons. Like, this was the spoon I used before soaking it, and this is the quantity it gave me, and this is very big. So I think if you want to try this, you should also, like, use a little, because I heard it's sort of hard to wash out when you use plenty. And this is actually my first time of trying out fenugreek on my hair, so fingers crossed. I hope everything goes well. So let's get into this. I'm going to mix them both. Okay, so guys, I'm done mixing the deep conditioner with the fenugreek paste, and this is the consistency. So I'm going to start applying it to my hair, and as you can tell and see, I already dampened my hair, so it's sort of damp, not wet. So I'm going to start applying this from the back. Okay,
Baby, I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops.
you guys, fenugreek has a lot of benefits for natural hair. Some of the benefits include that it promotes hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles, and it also reduces hair fall. And another benefit is that it conditions and moisturizes the hair, thereby reducing dryness and frizz. It can also be beneficial to people with scalp issues like dandruff, and it also controls inflammation. There are also different ways to incorporate fenugreek in your hair regimen. You can use it as a hair mask, as a hair oil. There are a lot of ways you can actually add it to your hair. Okay, and also you can use the powder if you don't have the seeds. Okay, I'm applying this all over my hair, but I'm focusing it more on the ends of my hair, because the ends of our hair is the weakest part. Okay, I'm using this as a protein treatment because fenugreek is high in protein. So guys, I'm done with the application, as you can see, and my hair already feels very soft. I don't know if you can see. My hair already feels very soft and juicy. quick warning, if you have low porosity hair like I do, then you should stay away from using this often. You should just do this once, okay, so you don't get protein overload. I'm going to be using this heating cap. This is actually my first time of using it. Okay, so I'm going to be wrapping my hair with a wet cloth. I know this is not important.
A few moments later.
If you don't have a heating cap, you can put on a shower cap or a plastic bag and let it sit for 30 minutes. Okay, and guys, my hair felt very hot or warm, I don't know. I'll let my hair cool down before I wash this out and I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm done washing it out from my hair, and it was actually easy to wash out. Okay, and my hair feels very soft. I'll show you guys quickly. My hair feels really soft. Like, guys, I don't know if you can see the bounce. Like, just take a look at that. Wow. The only annoying thing is that I have the fenugreek particles in my hair, and as I say, this is my first time of trying this out, so maybe I will do my research and know how to avoid this. Meanwhile, look at how my ends are. They look way better than before. As you can see, my hair feels like really nice, guys. Anyways, let me know if you've ever tried out fenugreek in your hair, or if you'll be trying it out. And yeah, that'll be all for this video. Make sure you like it, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.